good evening. It's Marguerite Ashton here on Building Dollhouses from Scratch. And we're going to see me putting together sections 1 and 2. And I say, well, I guess I could say part 1 and part 2 of the foundation. And you'll see what I'm talking about later on. So with the foundation, I had no problem using a lot of glue. It's really important. For this one, I used Weld Bond, and I'm in love with this. This is really great. It gives me extra drying time, especially when you have to adjust some things, and you'll see later on here in the video coming up. It's actually coming up a little sooner than I think. You're also going to see me using the clamps to hold this together. Bear with me as I get through this here. And one thing that I wanted to make sure was that I was able to clean up as most of the glue as possible because I did not want it sticking to the mat. So you already see that some of it's already previously glued. Our one-on-one tonight is going to include what I explained a few seconds ago. I will not be able to do the total one-on-ones like I'd like to do, at least in the beginning. It's very time-consuming, and I'm not sure that super long videos, I think the most I've done is 27, maybe even 30 minutes. That may be a bit much. Okay, so here I am working with the clamp. So one of the things I had to do was balance out the weight, because if I didn't, the weight would carry and lift the foundation. So I had to make sure that what I did made it stay in one place while it was drying. Also in the corners, you want to make sure that it is flush. Even with all of the glue I've used, I'm touching the corners, making sure that it's tight and right around the corners, along the edges on top. And there we go. I'm happy. See that? Nothing is sticking out besides the glue. So it worked out really well. And this makes me happy. So adjust the light, and there we go. I hope that some of this helped you. As you can see, starting the foundation for the Allison Jr., my soon-to-be beautiful Victorian. And I mean, I have to tell you, I am still nervous, but it's coming along just great. And then here are the still photos. The first one was part A, and here's the second one, part B. I hope this helps.